At Difference Makers 3D, everything starts with the customer. My name is Greg Tooney, and I lead our research and development team in designing and manufacturing products that support mission-driven organizations, and we do it with creativity, precision, and care. As the research and development manager at Form5, I bring over 30 years of experience in industrial design, engineering, and manufacturing to every project. My passion lies in solving real-world problems and creating thoughtful, user-centered solutions. Before joining Form5, I served in leadership capacities at companies like GE, Newell Rubbermaid, and Fitch. I've worked across industries, from medical devices to automotive innovation, and I've developed a deep understanding of plastics, design for manufacturability, and human-centered design. My experience allows me to guide our team in delivering exceptional quality and purpose-driven products. Our capabilities range from 3D custom printing, laser cutting, laser engraving, and molding. From the first sketches to the prototype to the final production, we are with our partners every step of the way, always focused on the people who will ultimately use our products. We bring together decades of experience and a passion for innovation. Our team thrives on thinking differently, on solving problems that matter, and helping mission-driven organizations amplify their impact through well-designed solutions. At every step, our focus is on you, your mission, your story, and the people you serve. When you work with Difference Makers 3D, you're not just getting a product, you're joining a movement. One that supports Form5's mission to empower individuals with limb differences through accessible design and innovation. At Difference Makers 3D, we don't just make 3D things, we make a difference.